What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we are going to BMW. Why are we going to BMW? Well, if you watched one of the most recent videos, we had the brakes fixed at CarMax, but this part that we need to fix is not something that CarMax can do. It's going to be something that has to be done by the dealer, and we're going to go ahead and look for a BMW service. So we go Valley Auto World, click, and we're gone.
Please proceed to the highlighted route.
We're navigating to the highlighted route, so let's roll, man. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and hit it. Let's get this thing out to BMW
for 3/4 of a mile,
and let's see what BMW says about this undercarriage damage on the rear, and if it's something they're going to be able to take care of. I think they will. And major shout out again to CarMax for sending me there to get it fixed the correct way.
Half a mile.
Now, I believe the BMW dealership itself is closed, so I got to figure out where the hell they're going to send us for service.
In 700 feet, turn left.
Okay, that's the sales center.
Turn left.
But the service center should still be here, I believe, right? Yeah, BMW service. We're still good.
Destination is on the left.
All right, we are at BMW service. Look at that. Ooh, we got an M750. Oh. They're building a new sales center, it looks like. All right, let's get our mask, and then we'll pop inside here and see what BMW has to say. Well, guys, there it is. Went ahead and got here to BMW. We're at Valley BMW, and they were super cool, man. They took care of me, got the appointment made. They had to order the part to fix the car. And evidently they deal with CarMax all the time, so we were good there. Nothing out of pocket for me. And they are ordering the entire rear assembly behind that bumper with the sensors. So I know that wasn't cheap. And remember, like I told you, I knew the brakes were going to be somewhere around $2 grand. Well, that right there, and the labor to replace all that stuff in the rear of the car, yeah, like $2,700. Holy shit. But yeah, man, all done. So I got a full appointment on deck for that, so I'm happy about that. Very, very happy about that. And now we're going to get to the house. I got some stuff to get done, and then we got to go to Copart because I'm picking up something. I'll let y'all guess what car it was I won today that we're going to go pick up in Copart in the chat or the comment. But we're going to go do that right now. But there you have it, man. This was much quicker. I'm going to be honest, and this is what their service department's a mess right now because they're building and all this other stuff. It's not their full normal department. And shout out to my dude E-Vapors. You know, they when they saw I was filming, and we're like, yeah, we had another YouTuber here with their i8, and it was here forever. And I was like, you got any? He's like, I got 2 in right now, and I got to go walk around the shop. So major shout out to them for that. That was super friggin' cool. But yeah, man, I mean, I'm excited. I don't know about you guys, but I'm happy with this situation with CarMax. It has totally changed my entire viewpoint. Like, it just goes to show that if you ever have just a bad experience with one person or one company, never burn the whole company. I'm guilty of that. I'm 100% guilty of saying like, F that, you burned me. You're one person at your company burned me. I'll never do business with you again. And I guess that goes to show I was dead wrong. I was wrong for that. And like I said, major shout out to CarMax for getting this together and getting the car put together in the proper way. I appreciate it. I can't tell you how much I appreciate it. I appreciate it like so much. My hair is a disaster right now. Wow, we just running red lights, huh? I thought this was a no turn on red light, but I guess not. I could have sworn it was like a regular red light. I mean, a no turn on red light, but I guess I was wrong. Anywho's, time for me to get some lunch. Short video, just a very quick bonus video for you guys today on the BMW. Getting everything buttoned up and done on it. I'm excited. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And yeah, it'd be cool to see what happens when we get everything sorted out. BMW is going to do a full diagnostic and look and see if they can find anything else wrong with it for me, so that CarMax can take care of that before, you know, everything's done. So I'm excited, man. This was I have to be honest, a buying experience, which I got a video. You guys probably already seen that. I don't know what order these are coming out, but like the service, the taking care of the car part and everything has been, it's been flawless, man. Absolutely flawless. I'm sold. I'm literally sold. Wow. See y'all on the next one.